Starting a business doesn't require a massive factory, large team, or big budget. All you need is one smart machine, a bit of space, and the right idea. These machines empower people to earn from home, grow brands, and take control of their future. So, which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Share this video if you know someone waiting for a sign to start their business. Subscribe for more ideas. The next video might be your game changer. Number 1. Gummy Candy Making Machine. Gummy candy appeals to everyone, kids, adults, and even health-conscious snackers. This machine quickly produces clean gummies in imaginative custom shapes. Simply mix the syrup, pour it into the machine, and it precisely fills the molds. You can stick to classic shapes or get creative by adding vitamins, CBD, spicy flavors, or trendy designs. The batch cools rapidly and is ready to package within minutes. Perfect for markets, online sales, or custom gift packs, this machine offers high profit margins, especially when targeting niche candy markets. Demand often spikes seasonally during holidays and events. It's both fun to make and sell, opening the door to the large snack industry. Number 2. Pet Bottle Blowing Machine. Water, soda, and sauce bottles are everywhere, and now you can produce them yourself. This compact machine heats plastic, preforms, and blows air to instantly shape full-size bottles. It requires little space and uses standard molds. Small brands typically need runs between 5,000 to 10,000 bottles. Too small for big factories, but perfect for your setup. With consistent demand and flexible production options, this machine lets you serve multiple packaging markets efficiently. Number 3. Paper Plate Forming Press. Used constantly at parties, food stalls, cafes, and catering services, paper plates are in steady demand. This compact press quickly transforms pre-cut paper sheets into sturdy, perfectly shaped plates in seconds. Simply load the paper, press a button, and the machine instantly molds each plate. A great way to increase value is by customizing plates with prints, logos, or themed colors. With low-cost materials and rapid output, profit margins stay high. For a straightforward, creative, and fast turnover business, this machine is an excellent choice. Number 4. Paper Napkin Making Machine. Napkins may seem small, but their demand is huge. Thousands are used daily by restaurants, cafes, food stalls, and offices. This machine takes large rolls of tissue paper and folds them into neat, layered napkins, even embossing designs if desired. Start with plain white napkins for bulk orders, then boost profits by adding logos or custom prints. This can easily double your price. Many local businesses, caterers, and food trucks want small custom runs that large factories won't provide, giving you a competitive edge. Raw materials are inexpensive, the machine is compact, and products are consumed quickly, encouraging repeat business. Eco-friendly options like recycled or unbleached tissue appeal to growing markets. This daily use product offers massive turnover with simple production, ideal for low-risk, high-demand business. Number 5. Laser Rust Removal Machine. Cleaning rust traditionally involves messy chemicals or noisy grinders. This machine uses a quiet high-speed fiber laser beam to vaporize rust from any metal surface within seconds, no sparks or dust produced. Priced around $8,500, it runs simply on electricity. Auto repair shops and factories pay $60 to $90 per hour for thorough rust removal services. Even smaller jobs generate good income, making it an excellent choice for local service businesses. Number 6. Tortilla Making Machine. Handmade tortillas are slow and inconsistent, making scaling production difficult. This machine presses dough balls between heated plates to produce perfectly cooked, evenly sized tortillas automatically. Compact and clean, it's fully automatic and well-suited for small shops and caterers who value consistent quality and faster output. In areas with high demand for tortillas, this machine quickly pays for itself and operates efficiently over time. Number 7. Belt Making Machine. Many small fashion brands seek custom belts in unique colors and small batches. This compact strap weaving machine uses nylon thread spools to weave strong, durable belts. A hot cutter seals each belt in neatly. Initial setup costs about $4,000 plus $300 for the cutter. Offering low quantity orders with quick delivery allows you to charge premium prices, serving local shops that larger manufacturers often overlook. This niche business offers a competitive advantage. Number 8. Screw Oil Press. Oil is widely used in kitchens, skincare, and health stores. This machine fits right on your table and crushes seeds like sunflower or peanuts to extract fresh oil instantly. With setup costs of just a few $100s, it's compact and counter-friendly. You can sell pure or flavored oils at premium prices with minimal waste. The leftover seed pulp serves as animal feed, adding value and reducing waste. Number 9. Wood chip pallet press. Assembling traditional wooden pallets takes time and nails. This machine transforms leftover sawdust into solid pressed pallets. Wood waste is mixed with a binder, poured into molds, and then heat pressed to create lightweight, moisture-resistant pallets. Often using free or inexpensive raw materials from nearby workshops, the finished pallets sell well and stack efficiently for shipping. This process turns industrial waste into a product with constant demand. Number 10. Popsicle making machine. Popsicles have expanded beyond just kids' treats to gourmet, healthy, and exotic frozen snacks. This machine rapidly produces bold-flavored popsicles in perfect shape. Load your custom recipes into molds, whether fruit-based, yogurt-filled, or herbal, and the machine freezes the treats. Ideal for carts, cafes, online delivery, or boutique stores, customers happily pay $2 or more for unique, refreshing popsicles. Demand peaks in summer daily. It's a creative and profitable business with minimal space needs, great visual appeal, high margins, and endless customization possibilities. Every flavor tells a story. Number 11. Liquid clay 3D printer. Traditional pottery demands skill, time, and years of practice. This 3D clay printer automates the process by printing soft slip, a liquid clay and water mix, layer by layer to create stunning artistic items like vases, planters, and decor. Just upload a 3D model, load the clay, and the printer completes designs in a single session that would otherwise take hours by hand. It produces details and textures impossible by manual methods. Quiet and clean, it runs on standard power. Art markets, home decor shops, and Etsy customers love these unique made-to-order pieces. Number 12. Barbed wire. Manufacturing machine. Barbed wire remains essential for fencing, and rising import costs have increased local demand. This fully automatic, easy-to-operate machine feeds steel wire through rollers, twists it, and adds sharp barbs, producing ready-to-use rolls. It has a small footprint and runs efficiently. Each roll sells quickly, especially to farms, warehouses, and security firms. The product is simple but generates steady orders, now produced locally. Number 13. Machine for disposable slippers. Hotels, spas, salons, and guest houses consume thousands of lightweight slippers monthly. This machine makes complete pairs within seconds by feeding non-woven fabric, cutting shapes, and ultrasonically sealing them. Compact enough for a spare room, it runs on a single wall outlet. You can produce hundreds daily, package, and sell to local hotels or bulk online. Raw materials are inexpensive, and the fast process keeps costs low. Demand also spikes during events, weddings, and Airbnb stays. This quiet, fast, and easy-to-scale business is often overlooked but lucrative. Number 14. Sublimation printer with heat press. Customizing plain items into personalized gifts is now easy with this combo of sublimation printer and heat press. Print your design on transfer paper and press it onto mugs, t-shirts, or cards, creating permanent waterproof, UV-resistant prints. Setup costs range from $650 to $1,000 and fits on a small table. Selling 300 mugs or shirts covers the investment quickly. These products are perfect for gifts, merchandise, or small brand lines. Number 15. Laser machine for 3D engraving inside glass. Flat glass items have lost their wow factor. Customers want something more emotional and unique. This laser machine engraves 3D images inside crystal blocks without touching the surface, creating tiny points that form portraits, logos, or pet likenesses. It operates at low cost and is durable. Custom glass art pieces sell easily from $30 to $100. The floating design inside the crystal always surprises buyers, making it a captivating product. Number 16. Cookie making machine. Most bakeries still rely on hand-scooping cookie dough, which is slow and results in uneven cookies. This machine solves these problems by providing speed and precision. Simply load the dough into the hopper, adjust your settings, and the machine deposits perfectly sized portions onto trays. Every cookie is uniform, no waste, no mess, and baking results stay consistent every time. It's perfect for small bakeries, home-based businesses, or dessert brands looking to scale up. You can sell your products in cafes, markets, or under your own brand. Consistent quality builds customer trust, while faster output drives up profits. While ingredients remain crucial, this machine can multiply your output overnight. If baking is your passion and growth your goal, this machine is your secret weapon. Number 17. Jewelry Laser Welding Machine. Traditionally, fixing broken jewelry chains requires time, heat, and expertise. This machine changes the game by using a pinpoint laser to weld gold or silver precisely without harming delicate parts. Repairs are done in 2 to 3 minutes per item. The unit is compact, clean, and highly efficient. Each repair job can earn between $20 and $40, allowing operators to handle dozens in a single evening. It eliminates the need for flames or messy soldering, offering a fast, tidy jewelry repair solution. Number 18. 3D Printer for TPU/EVA. While most 3D printers work only with hard plastics, this one is designed to print soft, flexible materials. Using TPU and EVA, the same materials found in sneakers and phone cases, it produces rubbery, shock-absorbent parts layer by layer. Just upload a 3D model, and it creates items like grips, elbow pads, or flexible mold. These niche products command high profit margins and are easy to customize digitally. Number 19. Automatic Pasta Maker. Fresh pasta is beloved worldwide, but making it by hand takes both time and skill. This automatic pasta maker handles everything. It mixes the dough, shapes it, and cuts perfect servings at the push of a button. The machine is compact, affordable, and uses inexpensive ingredients. You can produce basic pasta or premium varieties with herbs and flavors for increased profit. It's a great small kitchen business idea, combining high demand with low effort and a gourmet appeal. Number 20. Socks Knitting Machine. Everyone needs socks, yet most people discard a dozen pairs every year. This machine feeds yarn into a rotating knitting system to produce full socks within minutes. There's no cutting or hand stitching involved. The basic setup fits comfortably in a room and operates on standard power. You can create custom designs, offer limited edition releases, or even corporate gift boxes to boost margins. Number 21. Latte Soap Making Machine. Soap is more than just for cleaning. It's a luxury, health, and self-care product. This machine setup allows you to create beautiful handmade soap bars. Mix natural oils, colors, and fragrances in a heated mixer, then pour the thick mixture into molds, shape into blocks, and cut into bars. The equipment is simple and easy to operate, perfect for small studios or home kitchens. The business thrives on flexibility. Switch recipes with the seasons: lavender for spring, mint for summer, oatmeal for winter. Many customers seek handmade natural products, making soap an excellent entry point. With good branding, soaps costing $1 to make can sell for $5 to $8.